Alright, welcome to Plant a Garden TV. Alright guys, in this little area here, I have my own little pharmacy going on, right in this little area. As you see, we have the Moringa here. We also have a Moringa here. We have a Moringa here. And guess what guys? We have the mango leaf. Right here is the mango leaf. These are the young mango leaf. These mango leaf smell fresh and strong. These leaves, I use them and I make my own tea. This is the Moringa, and what I'm doing, I'm picking the Moringa leaf. These leaf does wonders, man. All right, so we have more mango leaf to pick down here. These are the real young mango leaf I'm picking, not the old one, the young one. And I'm picking them now because I already know after when the frost, I wouldn't be able to get the leaf. So this area here, we have Soursop, which I'm also going to be picking a few of the Soursop leaf. Okay. Over here again, we have more mango. We have more mango. So all I'm doing, I'm picking the fresh mango leaf plus the Soursop leaf, and also I'm going to be picking these Moringa. So right in this area here guys, I have my little pharmacy. These things does wonders. These things have me feeling strong, have me feeling healthy, able to run, able to. So yes guys, this is my little pharmacy right here. Moringa, Soursop leaf and mango leaf. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. Peace, love and blessing.